Good afternoon. This is Aaron with hitchedforfun.com. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate all of my subscribers, all of you that are out there watching these videos and inspiring me to do more. Your comments and your likes are awesome. Thanks for doing that. Keep them coming. Make sure you're subscribed, you like the video, share the video. Make sure you hit the notification button so that you can get notified when I make more content and share more of the things I'm out doing. Today I wanted to share with you some new toys I got. This is the Midland Radio X-Talker Extreme Dual Pack. And I just got this and I wanted to do an unpacking video and show you what comes in this. And it may be something you want to add to your gear when you're out RVing, camping, hiking, any number of things that you do. But this is something I think is going to come in really handy for us. I've had Midland radios for a long time, and my other ones are worn out, and it's time for me to get a new set. So I'm excited to show you. But before I do that, some of you know that I'm an amateur radio operator. I'm an extra class ham radio operator. My call sign is K6AMS. And you might be saying, why would Aaron get a pack of these radios when he's already got his ham radio license? Well, that's a good question, and let me explain why. I love to introduce radio to new folks. When I go out camping, when I'm hiking, caravanning in different cars, not everybody has, a ham radio license. So I want to introduce other people to the fun of radio. On ham radio, we are allowed to do third-party traffic and allow a non-ham to speak on amateur radio bands if the control operator, the licensee, myself, is at the microphone. But I can't always do that when we're hiking, right? So radios like this, which are FRS and GMRS radio capable radios, to speak on those frequencies, it allows them to get excited about radio, and hopefully they'll get so excited about this they'll keep using these, and they'll also go on and get an amateur radio license to do even more in the hobby of radios. So that kind of answers that. Midland radios actually are some of the very first radios I had, except for when I was a little bitty kid and I had little cheap CB little walkie-talkies. But these helped me get into the field of radio, and now I'm an extra class amateur radio operator. But let's open this up and see what comes in the kit. It comes in, well, let's find out. It comes in a kit that you can stow all the radios in. Set things on this rock here. Okay, pretty awesome. Okay, so it's a little zipper pouch. I'll hold that up so you can see that. That's pretty nice because then it will keep dust and grime out of it when you're traveling. You can just toss this in the trunk or, in the back of the RV or trailer, wherever you're at. And you're camping. Okay, let's see what comes in here. Okay, cool. So it's got some padding to keep the radios safe, it looks like. Little foam insert there. Okay, I haven't opened this yet, so you're seeing it live with me too. I've never seen this opened up, only from the box, from the outside. Okay, so that's what it looks like straight out of the package. All right, so it comes with the dual charging port where you can put both of the radios in with a short USB charging cable, and that's pretty cool. You can charge them 2 at a time. But here, let's get out the radios. That's what we want to see. Okay, so it comes with 2 of the radios, and I didn't give you the model number of this pack. So it's the Midland Radio X-Talker Extreme Dual Pack. The model number is T71VP3. So if you're wondering, and these will speak both on the GMRS radio frequencies and FRS. So you might be saying, what is FRS? FRS is Family Radio Service, and GMRS is General Mobile Radio Service. So these radios will speak on all of those radio frequencies. The GMRS, you need to have a license for it, but it's super easy to get. One call sign that works for your whole family. So don't stress out about that. And the FRS radio frequencies that these speak on, you don't have to have a license at all. So that's really cool. So they're great for beginners. Okay, they have up to 36 channels. Tough little radios. Okay, so it comes with 2 of those. What's in here? Okay, here we've got the wall adapter for the USB cable that would go to this, and so I presume somewhere in here is going to be the cable. Put that in my pocket. Okay, it comes with the radio batteries, rechargeable batteries that'll go in the radios themselves. So it comes with 2 of those right there. The neat thing about these 2 is, let's open up and see what it looks like in there. Okay, there we go. All right, so it says, please switch to high power to get maximum range. All right, a little reminder. These radios allow you to put the rechargeable battery pack in, okay, which is good. But then if these were to ever go dead when you're out hiking or on your trip or you're RVing and so forth, they also hold 3 of the AA batteries. Okay, you don't need what we call a clamshell, a little adapter. You don't need that. You would just stick 3 AA batteries right in there, and then you can continue to keep talking if you didn't have a way to recharge these out in the field for a long time. Okay, so that's cool. These will slip right inside. Each radio comes with a little belt clip that would slide right in here, so you can put it on. I like when I'm hiking, I will put it on the little chest strap, and then I can just lean down and speak into the radio like that, or on your hip or whatever. Okay, so let's check what else we got in here. All right, in the bottom we've got handy dandy cigarette adapter charger. That's handy for when you're traveling around in your car and you want to recharge the batteries, and you can do both at the same time, remember. All right, and there's a zipper pouch. Let's see what's up in here. Okay. All right, so each pack will come with the manual on how to work them. Real simple to use these radios. I hadn't had any problem. I've used them many times, from brand new newbies, young scouts. Heck, they figure them out quicker than the adults. Cool thing is you can pick the channel. You can pick a courtesy tone that would help filter out other traffic. Put that on there, and you can lock the radio, so if it gets bumped or whatever, it'll stay on the same channel. That sometimes helps with new radio folks. So it comes with the manual. Already comes with the charging cable. Okay, very nice. And this is something I have not used yet, and I'm excited to give these a try. And that was one of the things that excited me about this pack, to see how these work. This is an earpiece that would fit in the ear, and then a little mic in the front. Okay, and this would then go down to the radio on your hip or wherever else you want to put it. Kind of nice because it'll direct the sound right into your ear and pick up right off the mic. And that can be good in breezy conditions or other situations. So I'm going to experiment with that. So I'm excited to see how that will help me with radios. The other thing about these radios, and probably later I'm going to do a review on them too after I've played with them. These will also talk in Vox Mode, voice activated transmission. So when it hears noise coming through the mic, it will transmit that. When you're quiet, it will stop transmitting so you can listen. And that's one of the hands-free things you can do with those earpieces. So I'm excited to give that a try. All right. Well, that's everything in the kit, and that's pretty slick. It'll zip all together, be stowed in that. The other neat thing about these radios is that that attracted me to them is they're USB chargeable. So, in my RV and mini RVs that are made nowadays, they all have USB ports in them. So you don't have to have any other, transformers or any adapters. You're driving around in your van, your car, there's always a cigarette adapter so you can charge them, and you can charge 2 at a time. Now, I love doing a lot of backpacking too, and so I actually backpack with a small solar panel with me, and it has USB ports on that, so I can take these radios with that solar charger and charge them up various days throughout the trip. And you'd be surprised how long you can go on the charge in the first place, but that also helps me extend the battery and radio usage time with the ability to charge them with solar. So, all right, thanks for letting me show you that. Tune back later and I'll give you a review of how these work, and I'll catch you down the road. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Aaron at hitchedforfun.com. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.